सलमान खान के क्या कहने। Just when the other Khans thought कि the Galaxy Apartments में रहने वाले स्टार के planets कुछ गड़बड़ा गए हैं, he has turned the tables on skeptics and raced ahead to have back-to-back 100 crore hits. लेकिन बॉलीवुड बफ्स जानते हैं that Salman made his debut in a supporting role. जी हाँ, वैसे तो सलमान does not come from a family of actors. उनके पापा सलीम खान was one half of the famous जावेद सलीम combo. जी हाँ, सल्लू भाई proudly कहते हैं कि मेरे बाप लेखक हैं. After writing several successful films, Salim and Javed parted ways. शायद आप नहीं जानते कि सलमान's mother is a Hindu. इसलिए सलमान ईद के साथ-साथ गणपति और दिवाली भी मनाते हैं. जी हाँ, हमने कहा ना, वो बिल्कुल हटके हैं। सलमान के बारे में एक और मजेदार बात ये है कि उन्होंने अपनी स्कूलिंग के कुछ साल ग्वालियर में किए थे। Then he moved to Mumbai with his brothers to finish his schooling. He made his debut in बीवी हो तो ऐसी, playing बीनू's younger बिगड़ा हुआ बेटा। लेकिन जब सूरज बरजात्या की फिल्म में सलमान ने कहा मैंने प्यार किया, तो a star was born, and so was the character प्रेम, जिससे पूरे देश को हो गया प्यार। जी हाँ, मैंने प्यार किया का कबूतर तक वर्ल्ड फेमस हो गया। मैंने प्यार किया के लिए सलमान को मिला बेस्ट डेब्यूटेंट अवार्ड और बेस्ट एक्टर का नॉमिनेशन भी मिला। His fortunes changed overnight and a new star was born. And a new star had emerged on the horizon. 1990 में सलमान starred in Baaghi and 1991 में he had 4 back-to-back hits. लेकिन the wheel of fortune turned again and Salman's film stopped doing well at the box office. 1994 में 6 years after मैंने प्यार किया, सलमान and सूरज बरजात्या joined hands again and recreated the magic of प्रेम। हम आपके हैं कौन बन गई one of the top grossing films that time and Salman Khan was back to the top of his game। उसके बाद there was almost no stopping सल्लू मियां। इसी दौरान friends turned enemies सलमान and शाहरुख acted together in the very successful करण अर्जुन। लेकिन धरती का सीना चीर कर आए ये दो reborn heroes आज बन गए हैं foes and from the looks of it सल्लू मियां इस खान वॉर में अब शायद सबसे आगे निकल गए हैं। He has reinvented himself and become the king of commercial cinema. थोड़ा romance, थोड़ा action, a dash of comedy and a pinch of pathos. Salman has found the perfect formula of success. Well, कभी-कभी शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं, तो कभी-कभी there has been so much said already that it is very hard to decide कि शुरुआत कहां से की जाए। अब हमारे आज के सेलिब्रिटी को ही ले लीजिए। ऐसा कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर है या फिर कौन सा टीवी चैनल होगा where Shahrukh has not made his presence felt? Whether it's interviews, hosting shows, or when his films are screened on TV, Shah Rukh Khan is the Badshah of all that he surveys. Perhaps the most remarkable success story in Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan was not born into a filmy family. In fact, he was born far, far away in Delhi, jahan he grew up in a simple middle-class family. Went to school, then college, and also played sports. He first dabbled in theatre after he finished his graduation. Economics पढ़ रहे शाहरुख खान को उन दिनों ये नहीं पता था that someday people would be trying to guess the total worth of his fortunes. शाहरुख ने थिएटर डायरेक्टर बैरी जॉन से एक्टिंग सीखना शुरू किया and he made his debut on television in 1988 with the popular television serial Fauji. As Abhimanyu, he stole hearts with his impish smile and easy charm. He also played a small role in the then popular show Circus. शाहरुख मुंबई में शिफ्ट हुए in 1990 and donned the part of the struggling actor. लेकिन Destiny's favorite child didn't have to wait for too long. He received an offer from Hema Malini for her film Dil Aashna Hai. लेकिन his first film to release was Deewana, opposite Divya Bharti and Rishi Kapoor. Though उनका रोल ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं था and he had to play second fiddle. Shahrukh received the Best Debutant Award. The stars were shining bright and Shahrukh को कामयाबी बाहें फैलाकर बुला रही थी. Amongst his early films was Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman and the controversial and now never discussed Maya Memsaab. लेकिन मुंबई की माया नगरी शाहरुख का घर बन गई थी. लेकिन कंट्रोवर्सी हो या कुछ और, the superstar of the future had arrived और शाहरुख को रोक पाना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन था. Amir was born with cinema in his genes. Not too many people know कि उनका असली नाम आमिर हुसैन खान है. As he was born into a family where his father Tahir Hussain was a producer and uncle Nasir Hussain was a famous director. आमिर बहुत छोटे से थे जब उन्होंने अपना डेब्यू किया in the very popular यादों की बारात. Playing the role of the youngest son as a child artist, आमिर को शायद उस वक्त पता भी नहीं था कि आगे जाके he was to rule the roost in Bollywood. After that sweet little debut, Amir made his acting debut as an adult with Holi. ये फिल्म ज्यादा पॉपुलर नहीं हुई, लेकिन all that was to change when he acted in the hugely successful कयामत से कयामत तक. The movie instantly catapulted Aamir to fame और उनके sweet chocolate boy looks पे सारी लड़कियां मर मिटी. उसके बाद for a long time he was popular as a romantic hero, प्यार करने वाला sweet boy next door. कयामत से कयामत के बाद उनकी अगली कुछ फिल्में उतनी सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहीं, but all that was to change when he was paired opposite Madhuri Dixit in the hugely successful Dil. इसके बाद कई सालों तक his career seemed to have hit a plateau. Though there was the odd hit like Rangila, his big breakthrough came with Raja Hindustani. 8 बार पहले नॉमिनेट होने के बावजूद Aamir had never won any Best Actor awards. लेकिन Raja Hindustani की success brought him his first Best Actor award. In spite of acting in a variety of films and in challenging roles like his performances in Ghulam and Sarfarosh, Aamir was not able to achieve the success that he deserved. लेकिन all that was to change over a game of cricket. जी हाँ, when Aamir decided to produce Lagaan, उनके acting career को मिला a new lease of life. The film, shot with great difficulty in the sweltering heat of Gujarat, was a resounding success. Aamir was a star reborn. Lagaan was a commercial success and critically acclaimed as well. And the biggest form of recognition came when it was included amongst the nominations for Best Foreign Film in the Oscars. The honor of taking Indian cinema to the audiences around the world was something that was unforgettable for Aamir. इसके बाद, there was no looking back. The phoenix had risen from the ashes. Aamir started choosing his roles with care and redefining himself with every role. आमिर की फिल्म गुलाम का एक डायलॉग उन्हें बहुत सूट करता है कि लहरों के साथ तो कोई भी बह जाता है, लेकिन जो लहरों को चीर कर आगे निकल जाए वही सच्चे विजेता होते हैं. अगर वो चाहते तो गजनी के बाद एक्शन फिल्म ही करते रहते, लेकिन ही इंस्टेड चोज द कंप्लीट ऑपोजिट. अपने बनाए 6-पैक एब्स को भुलाकर he lost 20 kilos to play the role of a college student who challenges the system in 3 Idiots. The movie went on to be the highest-grossing film of all time in Bollywood. और आमिर ने किसी को उन्हें स्टेरियोटाइप करने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. गजनी से उन्होंने बॉलीवुड में प्रॉफिट्स को रीडिफाइन किया. With तारे ज़मीन पर, he educated an entire country on dyslexia and educating children. जब उन्होंने 3 Idiots बनाई, an entire nation woke up to what was wrong with our education system, and Rang De Basanti made us all feel patriotic again. उनकी हर एक फिल्म में कोशिश है to make a difference or to force the audience to think again about their lives. कितने ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो entertain और educate दोनों एक साथ कर सकते हैं? Most just succumb into playing it safe and say that they're making family entertainers. लेकिन वो फिल्में कोई याद नहीं रखेगा. लेकिन आमिर की हर फिल्म लोग कोशिश करके भी नहीं भुला सकते. It is only he who understands the power and potential of cinema and its impact for change.